It's magical up here. Oh my gosh. There's so much stuff up here. It's literally full of stuff. Oh my gosh.
It's a little tough.
We didn't know we were getting all this bonus stuff. A yoke? We could use that on our future oxen. What in the world is that?
You light a torch and it melts stuff in there.
This is a crazy looking chainsaw. I wonder if we could actually use that.
Maybe. I bet that chainsaw is worth a lot of money. We should get that out. Look it up.
It's like an old dolly. It says the Fairbanks Co. Is this an old lawnmower?
Yeah, this mower.
Whoop. Do you think it's like a milking bucket? There's some more evidence here for our buckets. So, oh my gosh. Oh, hi, kitty. They're kind of heavy.
I bet.
Wow.
They're porcelain, aren't they? Like toilet.
Like a toilet is your analogy?
That's what's made out of porcelain. Up it.
There you go.
No, golly.
Those look very promising. Casey may have to get his own yoke.
No, hand the yoke down. It's really light. What happened to this? It is a avalanche. Oh, no, that's nice. And carved. Notice the carving. Oh, Lord. I don't want to use that thing. But we'll get it.
It's heavy.
It's like a whirl or two. Thank you. I got it. I'm not man enough to use that thing. Look at the bar. It's short. Like I said, let's pressure wash.
Wait a minute, what's that? Oh, that just is.
You'll be surprised what it shows.
Yes.
Pressure wash.
You don't think it'll mess it up?
You want to run? No, it won't.
Maybe.
Mess it up. It won't mess it up. Please subscribe to this channel. She said I have to carry this till you do.
I never said that.
Yes, you did.